Did you know that during flu season, up to 1 billion people worldwide experience cold and flu symptoms each year? With such high numbers, it's no wonder why people are turning into natural remedies. In this video, I'm going to put this Kenyan Dawa recipe to test and see if it really can cure a flu or cold. Are you feeling under the weather? Try the Kenyan Dawa. This traditional remedy made of ginger, garlic, black pepper and hot water is said to alleviate flu and cold symptoms. It's a natural soothing drink, worth exploring its potential health benefits. A friend of mine swears by the Kenyan Dawa for cold relief. After trying it during a bad bout of the flu, they felt noticeably better within a day. The soothing combination of honey, lemon and ginger made a surprising difference. While many people find relief using this remedy, it's important to remember its limitations. Dawa, this kind of concoction, is not a substitute for medical treatment and may not even be effective for everyone. It's best used as a complementary approach alongside other treatments. Always consult with a health professional, especially if symptoms persist or worsen. And that's that. Well, have you tried the Kenyan Dawa or any other natural remedies for flu or cold? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd definitely love to hear what works for you. Don't forget to check out my other videos on health topics for more tips and natural solutions. Stay healthy and stay informed. Thanks. See you in the next video.